Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting soda recipe which is on trending in Kerala and in southern part of India. So today I'm going to share how to make mint soda at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I have some fresh pudina and here I have some ginger and here I have some black salt. If you want to skip, you can skip. And here I took two green chilies because my son is going to try this, so I didn't put more chilies. If you want to add, you can add. And here I have some fresh lemon. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grind all these things together. So I'm going to grind the mint, the ginger and some green chilies. So we are making soda at our home itself, and you can buy the soda from the market also. So here I put all these things, and I am adding some fresh lemon juice into this. And I'm going to grind by adding little bit of water. Hey guys, can you see I grind it, and I'm going to put this one in this mug, and in this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of kala namak, that is the black salt. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. You can use sugar syrup also, and today I'm going to add sugar. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into this and some fresh lemon juice again. Nice smell guys. I'm not going to add any salt because I added the black salt. So into this I'm going to add that soda. So I'm going to add soda into this. And I'm adding some more. Oops. So this is perfect guys. Please remember, we have to keep one plate under this jar, and my son is going to try this one. I'm going to add some more soda. Come on Das.
Yeah, mommy.
How it is? Good?
It tastes very nice.
Thank you.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது ரொம்ப டெக்ஸ்டராக இருக்குது
Okay.
சூப்பராக இருக்குது.
Okay, thank you.
For more recipes like these, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, as it is a major encouragement for our channel. Thank you very much.